Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. As February unfolds, so does the promise of a vibrant and flourishing garden. So in today's video, we are diving into the best vegetable seeds to sow this February, tailored specially for our Indian gardens. With the little cool temperatures persisting, it is the perfect time to sow seeds that will thrive in the coming season. No matter what, if you have a balcony garden or a backyard oasis. Are you ready to cultivate a bountiful garden? So let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Let's kick things off with every gardener's favorite, tomatoes. Sow tomato seeds in Fab for robust plants that will yield juicy homegrown tomatoes. From salad to curries, tomatoes are a must-have in any kitchen garden. You have large number of varieties to choose from, starting from heirloom to hybrids, and available in different shapes, sizes and colors: red, yellow, black, purple, etc. For a burst of colors and flavor, let's talk about capsicum or bell peppers. Sow bell pepper seeds in Fab for vibrant and crunchy peppers. They add a sweet and tangy kick to your salads and stir fries. Available in different colors like red, green, yellow, orange, purple and white. Okra is a popular Indian vegetable. Sow okra seeds in Fab for a bountiful harvest. These versatile veggies are perfect for various cuisines. Cucumbers are a refreshing addition to any garden. Sow cucumber seeds in Fab for crisp and cool cucumbers. They are perfect for salads, sandwiches or as a healthy snack. Pumpkin brings a touch of sweetness to your garden. Sow pumpkin seeds in Fab for those vibrant fruits. Whether in curries or dessert, homegrown pumpkins are a treat. French beans add a dose of green goodness to your garden. Sow bean seeds in Fab for tender and flavorable pots. They are a great addition to curries, salads and even as a side dish. Lauki is a versatile and nutritious vegetable. Sow lauki seeds in Fab for a bountiful harvest. Brinjal is a garden delight. Sow brinjal seeds in Fab for these purple gems that are perfect for curry or even stuffed dishes. Get ready for excellence in your kitchen. Ridge gourd is a staple in many Indian kitchens. Sow ridge gourd seeds in Fab for this versatile vegetable that complements various dishes. Bitter gourd is a unique addition to your garden. Sow these seeds in Fab for these nutrient-packed wonders, whether you love them in stir fries or a healthy elixir. Bitter gourd has you covered. Apple gourd is a delightful vegetable to grow. Sow these seeds in Fab for these round wonders that are perfect for stuffed recipes or delicious curries. Get ready for a garden full of these God's delight. Cluster beans bring a touch of elegance to your garden. Sow cluster bean seeds in Fab for these slender, crunchy delights. Cluster beans add a nutritious twist to your meals. Now a quick tip. Keep an eye on your soil moisture. Protect your plants from unexpected frost and consider using organic fertilizer for healthy, flavorable produce. And there you have it, a list of best vegetables to sow in Feb for a garden that's set to thrive. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Do write your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.